So this is the unboxing of the new OTOFIX D1. Brand new. I got it off of Amazon for about $715, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, it's kind of hard doing it by one hand. So, first impression is this is very lightweight. Very lightweight. See if I can lift it with a pinky. So, move this out of the way. Here you can read a little bit more of what it includes. I bought this one because we have at the shop we have another one. It's the AUTEL 908, I believe. And it's a good scanner. It's just that it's just too big for me, and how do you say it? It's a very big box to carry when you're wanting to do some mobile work. And this is supposed to be great for that. So, let's see. The box looks very solid. However, it is very solid. It's just like the AUTEL one. First thing you see here, this will be the V1. This is what connects to the OBD port, and it is actually pretty solid. It comes with a flashlight and very useful at night. It also comes with a USB to Ethernet adapter. So everything that comes in the carrying case is pretty much the V1, the USB adapter, the tablet itself, and the charger. Now the tablet, it is strapped into the box by these two straps made with Velcro. First thing I notice is how lightweight the tablet is and how small compared to my other scanner. I do have the AUTEL 908, which is a pretty big, and it comes with a very big case. So I was very impressed to see the size of this scanner. I know it was a 7-inch screen since I bought it. That's the reason why I bought it, because it was smaller than the AUTEL that I had. Here's a few comparisons to a water bottle, my laptop computer, and my hand. Very solid. I can tell this is very well made. It does not feel cheap at all. So now this is the first time that I turn on this scanner, and as you can tell, it does boot up really fast. It takes about the same time as my other scanner, the AUTEL 908, which was about $1,000 more expensive than this one. And actually this might be even faster than that one. So I am very impressed with AUTOFIX and the D1. overall, it's a great device in my opinion. I would recommend to everyone that's looking to buy a scanner, whether it's for your shop or personal use. I believe that the D1 is the right tool to get, and by no means this is a sponsored video or anything like that. I just didn't find many reviews out there. It is a pretty brand new product, so I just wanted to let everyone know that it's looking to buy this, that it is a good choice. At least in my opinion, I would 10 out of 10 recommend this scanner. Thank you for watching.